So this is unboxing and assembling our Profilt compression sprayer. When you first open the box, you'll see our Mesto instruction manual, which will tell you everything included and how to use it. You'll then have the shoulder strap and the flat jet nozzle. Then you'll have the hose and stop valve and the metal lance. And finally, the tank of the sprayer. Now, to assemble all of the accessories onto the tank of the sprayer, you're going to want to start with the shoulder strap. You're going to start by threading the belt ties through one side and down the other. Now, the sprayer has 4 connections that you can attach the ties to. You can either add our back straps to wear it like a backpack, or the shoulder strap in any way you like, either to the left-hand side or the right-hand side, depending on what you prefer, or you can add it to the top too. Now, if you're connecting it to one side, just put the sprayer on its back, thread it down through the slit closest to the tank, and then back through the other, and then back up and through the buckle again. Then you're going to do the same on the other side of the strap, up and down through the buckle, and then through the slit closest to the tank, and back through the other, and then back through the buckle. This is then when you can adjust it to whatever size you like. Now, to the actual assembly of the sprayer, you're going to want to start with the hose with the threaded connector through this hole at the base. And once it's secure, there's a lock at the bottom that you can push the black piece of plastic up to make sure that the hose never moves out of place. Then you're going to want to connect the metal lance to the stop valve by pushing it on and twisting the threaded collar. And then on the other end of the lance, you can attach the nozzle by just twisting into place. So that is what to expect when unboxing and how to assemble our Profilt compression sprayer. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us on our Best Sprayers website.